body, baby. His body, baby. Oh,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. You guys really loved the flat twist that I did last time, so I decided to create another hairstyle. I really wanted to do the smaller flat twist, and then I was like, I haven't got the time, hunty. I haven't got the time. I'm just being real, like, let's be realistic. Who's got the time to do like them small plaits? I was just like, okay, forget it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do big chunky ones, the real stay home kind of hairstyle. Okay, but here I'm just showing you guys how you braid your back. I'm using my thumb to grab some hair and then using my other hand to twist the hair. It is very, very simple. If you do take your time, you guys, and watch this video over and over again, you'll be able to see exactly what I was doing. Like, you have to keep practicing, you guys. I think just with any other hairstyle, you have to be patient and take your time and practice and practice and practice. So this is me trying to see if I can, you know, rock the small plaits, and then I was like, no way. Okay, so keep watching, you guys. Will be able to see how I change this hairstyle. Okay, I really hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video, and make sure you guys don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also subscribe if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, this is a very, very simple and straightforward kind of tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy it.
It's fake kills.
One time, standard, baby. One time, it's got to be Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell them me then go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh, wee. Show now, oh yeah. See the girls them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger.
Yeah.
Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one figure.
Now me all I'm sick.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
If you want your flat twists to look a little bit more bigger and chunkier, please guys don't make them as tight as I was plaiting mine. Do make them a little bit looser so they become bigger and chunkier. This is exactly how I'm rocking this at home. Okay, no extra extensions or anything like that, but I just wanted to add a little bit of extraness because I know some of you guys would prefer rocking these with some extensions or something like that, and I used these extensions I've used in my other video when I did the puff. I'm gonna link it somewhere up right here. So yeah, I do reuse my extensions, you guys. Like, seriously, most of the time when I finish hair tutorials, I go ahead and remove the hair. This is how the hair looks with added extensions. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, reshare, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.